Shenzhen KLYDE Electronics Company Limited is a professional car multimedia player manufacturer in China. We established in 2007, after 12 years of development, now become one of the leading car multimedia system factory in China. Our company covers an area of 8,000 square meters and employs 180 staffs. We have 18 experienced R&D engineers and technicians who always keep improving and developing new products to meet clients' requirements. Our monthly production capacity is about 24,000 units. Our products, including Android and Win system, with 12 years experiences in designing, manufacturing, and marketing car multimedia player. In addition, we have obtained National High-Tech Enterprise IATF 16949 2016 certificates. Our products passed CE, FCC certification. We have established business relationships with many valued clients from Russia, Turkey, Spain, Germany, Italy, Iran, Dubai, Korea, Saudi Arabia, India, and Brazil. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Our tenet is customer first, quality foremost. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We warmly welcome friends and potential customers from various countries and regions to visit our company and seek opportunities for business cooperation.